in the place. Left side step back. Stretch your heel. Flex front foot. Stretch your back. And up. Other side same. And flex. And really way up. Heels. Soft. 7 times. Plie on 7. Open on 8. Circle foot. And plie. Circle head from right side to the back, to the left. Circle foot. Plie. Circle head from left side to the back, to the right. Relax the neck. Turn in, turn out to the side. And tongue to. Don't move. Pull the ball. And first patient plie. Tongue to front. Feel the floor. Go through that point. Keep cross. Shoulder circle. Squeeze your knee. Don't relax. Tongue to back. Don't move your tailbone. Keep in place. And plie. Shoulder circle reverse. Open up forwards. 2 tongue to the side. One more. And plie. Tongue to the side. Sharp toes. 3 times. Second time. Third time. Round back. Slide down all the way. Hold stay. And up. Plie. Really way up. Right side arm up. Other side arm up. Stay hold. Open arm, plie. And turn in. Keep toes together. Finish it down.